Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and immediate actions. Park, set the parking brake, and take the key out. Once done, remove the cup holder insert and pull out the 2 visible Phillips screws at the console base. Then use a plastic trim tool and pry at the rear seam first. This prevents cracking and preserves clips. You should feel clips releasing sequentially. Make sure to keep screws and small parts in a labeled container so nothing vanishes. Once the outer trim is loose, lift the center trim upward a few inches and scan for hidden clips and connectors beneath the shift boot. Next, unsnap the shifter trim or remove 1 to 2 additional screws behind the boot, sliding the boot down to expose them. This lets the whole assembly clear the shifter. You must disconnect electrical plugs for the 12V socket, USB ports, and seat heater or accessory wires. Take photos as you go to remember connector locations and orientations. You finish by lifting the console straight up, clearing the shifter and any remaining wiring. If it's bulky, get an assistant to steady it. Set the console on a towel to protect surfaces and inspect the base for trapped clips or unplugged wires before you fully separate it. To reinstall, reverse the steps. Reconnect wiring, align clips, press trim into place, and reinstall screws. If the piece won't seat, check for 1 hidden screw under a mat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.